I mostly create the PDF format digital planners for note-taking apps like Goodnotes and Notability. But today, I want to show you something different, Notion Planner. I discovered Notion last year and I have found it such a great tool, especially for tracking tasks and managing projects because of its powerful sync feature. Then I created these two Notion planners, the Ultimate Notion Planner and the Notion Study Life Organizer. Well, Notion is quite different from Goodnotes, so I figured a free Notion planner would help if you want to learn more about Notion. Okay, here's a free Notion planner. My idea for this planner is to help you get things done, so I've tried to keep it simple and clean. At the top, we have a place for quotes and gratitudes. There's a clock and mini calendar here as well. Scrolling down the page, you'll see 4 sections: tasks, events, projects, and notes. Under tasks, we have a subsection today, where you can put your daily to-do list. And for your routine tasks, you can put them under the daily routine tasks. So you don't need to write down these tasks over and over again. Okay, there's another subsection this week. This is where you can do your weekly task planning. Click the left and right arrow to toggle between weeks. Click Today will bring you back to the current week. To add a task, click the plus button at the top left corner of a day block. Write down the task detail in the title field. You can set the category priority if you like. If you want to see all the tasks, click the List View tab. For your weekly routine tasks, you can put them in this weekly habit tracker. Next, events. Here you can view all your upcoming events either this week or in calendar view. This week will only show the events in the current week, so it's updated in real life time. In the calendar view, click the left and right arrow to toggle between months. Click Today will bring you back to the current month. You can add events directly in the calendar here. As you can see, the event I just added appears under this week. So these tabs are all synced. If you want to add a time, turn on Include Time and edit the time here. You can also set a reminder if you like. Next, let's get to projects. As you can see, you can create projects under different categories: school, personal, work, or home. And to be more specific, you can create projects under different priorities. Click the new button under a specific priority will create a project with that priority. For example, I want to create a project under urgent. I can also add a due date for it. Once it's done, click the project again. It will pull up this project page where you can do your project planning. You can archive any projects that are completed or no longer important. Lastly, let's get to notes. This is where you can do quick notes. Click the new button will generate a notes page set on the current date. You can archive any notes that are no longer important. This will keep your notes section clean and help you quickly sift through information. When your notes section grows bigger and bigger, you can use the search tool to quickly find the notes you need. Alright, this is pretty much how our free Notion Planner works. To download the planner, Google for Little Time Free Notion Planner. You can also find the download link in the description. If you enjoy it, please like our video or leave a comment to let me know. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. I very much appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one.